Imagine stepping into a forest where every fallen branch, every twisted root, every weathered trunk whispers a secret. Organic sculpture is born from these whispers. It is not about forcing wood, stone, or clay into rigid forms. It is about listening. It is about discovering the shapes that nature has already begun and guiding them gently into art. For centuries, artists have searched for ways to capture life itself. Some painted landscapes, others carved marble, but organic sculpture is different. It does not imitate life. It is asterisk life. Each curve, each imperfection, each natural fracture becomes part of the story. The artist is not a master commanding the material. The artist is a collaborator, working hand in hand with nature. To the viewer, organic sculpture feels alive. It breathes, it pulses with memory. It carries the rhythm of seasons, the patience of growth, the resilience of survival. When you stand before an organic sculpture, you are not simply looking at art. You are looking at time itself, frozen yet eternal. And so the journey of organic sculpture comes full circle. What began as a whisper in the forest, a curve in a branch, a fracture in stone, now stands before us as art, not manufactured, not imposed, but revealed. Organic sculpture is the reminder that beauty is not always in perfection, it is in authenticity. Remembers the river that shaped it. As artists, we do not erase these memories, we honor them. We allow nature to speak and we become its translators. To the viewer, each sculpture is more than an object. It is a dialogue, a conversation between human hands and natural forces, a reminder that art is not separate from life, it is life, distilled into form. When you stand before an organic sculpture, you are not only seeing what the artist has made, you are seeing what the earth has offered. For beginners, this is the lesson: trust the material. Do not fight it, do not force it. Listen, observe, collaborate. The greatest sculptures are not those that dominate nature, but those that harmonize with it. And for the audience, this is the invitation. Look closer. See the stories hidden in the grain, the shadows carved by time, the imperfections that make each piece unique. Organic sculpture is not about flawless symmetry, it is about truth. It is about the poetry of existence, captured in matter. As we close, remember this: every fallen branch, every weathered stone, every forgotten fragment holds potential. The artist's role is not to invent, but to reveal. To show us that art is not somewhere out there, it is already here, waiting to be seen.